latest update lélẹ́yìn ẹ̀yìn èèyàn lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Oghenemine táwọn ọlọ́pàá pa nípínlẹ̀ Delta. ẹ̀ẹ́dẹ́kọ̀ọ́dẹ́bọ̀ ẹ súnmọ́ bí o tẹ́ ò bá gbàgbé lánàá òde yìí lẹ́ni tó jẹ́ alukoro fún iléeṣẹ́ ọlọ́pàá nípínlẹ̀ Delta sọ wípé gbogbo case file àwọn ọlọ́pàá márààrún tí wọ́n fura sí àtẹni tó yìnbọn pa Oghenemine gangan gbogbo wọn pátápátá ó ní pé wọ́n ti transfer case file wọn sọ́dọ̀ Attorney General of Federation. àmọ́ kí ni latest update tí mo tún mú wá fún yín lórí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí tẹ́ ò bá gbàgbé rí i pé Gbonamiyo òun gẹ́gẹ́ ló kọ́ jáde tó fi fọ́nrán yẹn síta tó fi di pé gbogbo ayé bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní pín káàkiri lógúnlógún lọ́gbọ̀nlọ́gbọ̀n. ó jáde nírọ̀lẹ́ yìí tó wá sọ àwọn gbólóhùn kọ̀ọ̀kan. kí làwọn gbólóhùn tó sọ? ó ní pé lákọ̀ọ́kọ́ ná pé àwọn ọlọ́pàá wọ́n ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ ìwádìí òfíntótó lórí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí, bẹ́ẹ̀ sì ni wọ́n ti ń gbé ìgbésẹ̀ láti ṣe autopsy lórí ikú tó pa Oghenemine. ó ní bó tilẹ̀ jẹ́ wípé gbogbo akọ́tápátá láti rí gbangba wípé pé wọ́n yìnbọn pa á ni, páwọn ọlọ́pàá yìnbọn tó sì fi kú yányán ni wípé fún legal documentation torí pé kí ni wọ́n ní wọ́n fẹ́ gbé gbogbo àwọn ọlọ́pàá márààrún yìí lọ sí ilé ẹjọ́ pé tó má sì máa gbé wọn lọ sílé ẹjọ́ lára àwọn ẹ̀rí máa jẹ́ mi nsò láti fìdí ẹ̀ múlẹ̀ wípé nípasẹ̀ ìbọn ló fi kú. òun náà ni wọ́n fi nílò autopsy result yẹn. ó ní wọ́n ti ṣe autopsy báyìí o pé bẹ́ẹ̀ sì ni result ọ̀hún ó ti jáde. kí ni nǹkan tí ń bẹ́nu result ọ̀hún? gbogbo ẹ̀ pátápátá lẹ́ ó láǹfààní láti gbọ́ nínú eléyìí tí mo mú wá fún yín. tẹ́ ẹ̀ bá tún wá gbàgbé rí i pé àrísì ń sọ lọ́jọ́ sí wípé kí Inspector General of Police ìyún alàgbà Ridwan Disu wípé kí wọ́n transfer gbogbo àwọn ọlọ́pàá tí wọ́n ti lò ju ọdún mẹ́wàá lọ pé kí wọ́n transfer gbogbo wọn kúrò nípínlẹ̀ Delta torí pé kí ni ó ní ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ wọn ti ń gbẹ̀yìn bẹ́bọ jẹ́ o, gbogbo ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ wọn ti ń compromise. ǹjẹ́ jẹ́ mọ̀ pé lónìí àwọn ọlọ́pàá 1,300 ni wọ́n transfer kúrò nípínlẹ̀ Delta lónìí. ẹ bá ń gbé ṣùgbọ́n fún Inspector General of Police alàgbà Ridwan Disu fún iṣẹ́ takuntakun, iṣẹ́ ribiribi tí wọ́n ṣe láti rí dájú pé wọ́n transfer àwọn ọlọ́pàá yẹn kúrò nípínlẹ̀ Delta. wọ́n ní wọ́n ti pín àwọn ọlọ́pàá yẹn káàkiri gbogbo àwọn ìlú bòmí o. ṣé kí wọ́n máa pín lára wọn bọ̀ wá sí agbègbè tọ̀dọ̀ ti yín àbíbò ní? ẹ jẹ́ darapọ̀ ní abala àríwúsí, kẹ́ bá ń comment, kẹ́ máa like, kẹ́ sì máa bá mi pín fọ́nrán yìí káàkiri lógúnlógún lọ́gbọ̀nlọ́gbọ̀n kó lè ti kan ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn èèyàn lára. ẹni tó ti kú ti kú tiẹ̀ báyìí. àwọn tí ó ti wà láyé àwọn ni wọ́n ń ṣayé tí wọ́n lọ o. àmọ́ ohun tẹ́mi mọ̀ dájú ni pé ìdájọ́ òdodo yóò farahàn lórí ikú tó pa Oghenemine torí pé kí ni gbogbo àwọn ọlọ́pàá yẹn pátá àtàwọn tíìmù àwọn ọlọ́pàá yẹn bó tilẹ̀ jẹ́ pé kò kí ń ṣe gbogbo àwọn tíìmù yẹn ló ń wà níbi tíṣẹ̀lẹ̀ yẹn tó ti ṣẹlẹ̀ lọ́jọ́ yẹn, bọ́ gbogbo àwọn tí ń bẹnu tíìmù yẹn pátá báyìí ni wọ́n ti arrest. àwọn civilian méjì tí ń bẹnu wọn lọ́jọ́ yẹn, àwòrán yẹn lẹ́ ń wò yìí, àwọn yẹn báyìí wọ́n ní wọ́n ti já pàǹtí wọn, wọ́n ti sá àsálà fún ẹ̀mí ara wọn, wọn tí ì mọ ibi tí wọ́n wà lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ báyìí. wọ́n láwọn kan ń pè wọ́n fìjìláńtẹ́ àti civilian, ibo ni wọ́n wà kán ṣàrídájú pé wọ́n arrest gbogbo wọn lọ́kọ̀ọ̀kan léjèèjì. ẹ jẹ́ ń gbé Gbonamiyo wọlé kẹfà balẹ̀ wá gbálà yí ọ̀rọ̀ lẹ́nu ẹ̀ tó ráwọn Yorùbá bọ̀ wọ́n ní ẹnu oníkàn báyìí láti ń gbọ́ pàún, bẹ́ẹ̀ sì ni ẹnu ọlọ́fà náà láti ń gbọ́ mọ̀tá láì dé ìnàpẹ́nu. Harrison bá ń gbóhùn sókè.
Good morning, my name is Gbonamiyo. There have been several updates on Oghenemine's case, the young man that was extrajudicially killed in Delta State by ASP Usman Nuhu and then 2 others. All right. I want to first of all thank you. Yes, I want to thank you watching this video for reposting that video, for tagging the authorities, and for making it a national and worldwide matter. Thank you so much. I want to thank you. You are the reason why we are getting good update on that matter. I don't want to mention any name of anybody, but I want to thank you, especially you, for everything you did in this case. I want to thank every one of you for everything you did on this case. For some times now, I've been indoors, you know, for reasons. Number one, autopsy have been conducted yesterday. Then why did they do autopsy? There's a prosecution in the court that's going to come. ASP Usman will be charged to court. Now, autopsy will reveal cause of death, even if you have seen it on video. But they are those are legal documents. These are legal documents for prosecution, which have been conducted yesterday. The family were there, the police were there. The family called me and they informed me about it, that they were there. I didn't go. Number two, the Usman and his team are in custody, are in police custody. Now, people are asking, was Usman's team members, these other officers, were they among? And I said, capital no. They were not on ground at the scene where Oghenemine was murdered. It was just ASP Usman and the two civilians. I said civilians, I did not say vigilante. Nobody knows where they are working as vigilante. For now, they are civilians until they are arrested. Currently, they are still hiding. Nobody have arrested them. Now, what are the roles of the other officers, these other officers? Usman is a team leader. In each of the police patrol vehicles or team, there is a team leader. Usman is a team leader. These other officers work under Usman. At the point they called Usman to go and pick up Oghenemine from the park, the team members were nowhere to be found. So I believe the police knows the reason why they arrested them and why they dismissed them. Me, I don't know. I did not call for the dismissal of those officers, but the police knows how they handle their internal matters. That's for them. What we are focusing on is Usman, Nuhu, and the other two civilians that were with him. All right. Now, again, the police headquarters, the IG, they have ordered the transfer of more than 1,300 police officers out of Delta State to different states. It means that new officers will be brought in to Delta State. Remember, in one of my videos, I knelt down. I was begging the IG. I said, sir, if it's possible, transfer all these officers that have worked here for long, to transfer them out. All these officers that have stayed in Delta for more than 10 years, remove them. They don't want to leave Delta. Remove them. Bring in fresh people for us. Bring in fresh people for us in Delta State. Some officers have stayed there for 10 years, 9 years. They are here. What are they still doing here? Transfer them out. Transfer them out. Let them go. I pleaded. I begged. I knelt down and begged. Maybe it was my video that made them to transfer them. I don't know. But it was because of Oghenemine. Justice for Oghenemine. That was the reason why they were transferred. In the history of Delta State, we've never seen something like this before. 1,000 plus officers transferred just one day to different states. Some are sent to Imo, Anambra, Abia, Edo, different states, scatter them. Both the good officers and the bad officers, they are now in different states. It does not solve the problem, but the IG, sir, thank you so much, sir. God bless you, sir. Thank you so much, sir. You've done well. You've done well. You've done well. Thank you so much, sir, for doing this. At least before the new ones will come, they continue this nonsense. They will not say something happened. No, see the reason why they remove this other one, so everyone will come. We want them to come and fight crime for us. There are robberies in Asaba, Capital Territory, everyday robbery. There are kidnappings in some areas in Delta State. There are violent crimes. These guys need to come and help us to fight. My IG, another IP again now, set up an independent investigators. We're going to help you to checkmate these officers. if they know say you get independent investigators, they go dey adjust the thing, go dey smooth. You go be the best IG wey police don't get for this Nigeria. For what I'm saying, no, IGP Disu, you are going to be the best police officer wey Nigeria don't get in the history. And I want make your name there. Guinness record. Say the IGP Disu, Tunji Disu is the best IG wey police don't get.
ọ̀rọ̀ lẹ́gbọ̀n yìí o, ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa bò lẹ́ ṣe rí sí abẹ́rẹ́ pé nǹkan kí sẹ́sẹ̀ ràgó. ẹ bá ń darapọ̀ ní abala àríwúsí, kẹ́ ẹ bá mi comment, kẹ́ ẹ máa like, kẹ́ ẹ sì máa pín fọ́nrán yìí káàkiri lógúnlógún lọ́gbọ̀nlọ́gbọ̀n. ẹ máa bá ń bò síasíà, ẹ máa bò kárakára, bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ni kẹ́ ẹ bá ń bò káàkiri tààràtààrà kó lè ti kan ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn èèyàn lára. àwa ní rí jù báyìí lọ lórí ilé tí a mú wá fún yín sáà yìí. bó bá tún ṣe ń lọ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí, gbogbo ẹ̀ pátápátá náà lẹ́ láǹfààní láti máa gbọ́ lórí ìkànnì àdàbà tẹlifíṣàn. àdàbà ọ̀nà ni à ń sùngbẹ́, iná ń jó, ẹ̀yẹlé gbéra ńlẹ̀. àdàbà a tún ti fòfẹ̀rẹ̀ awọ̀lú sọ̀lúdẹ̀rọ̀ pẹ̀sẹ̀.
agbe ní gbére pàdé olókun, àdùkò ní gbére pàdé ọlọ́sà, òdìdẹrẹ́ ní gbére pàdé wọn lóde ìwò. fún ìwọ ọmọkùnrin tí nǹkan rẹ̀ ò ṣe déédé, ìwọ ọmọkùnrin tí ṣàyàwó rẹ̀ ó ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ mọ gbọ́ jìgìjìgì lára lójú lọ mú kára rẹ̀ ó tó le, ìwọ ọmọkùnrin tó ń retí ọmọ bíbí, ìwọ ọmọkùnrin tó fẹ́ ṣe nǹkan tó dáa láyé pẹ̀lú aya rẹ̀ tí ìfàyàlòyà tí ó fi di nǹkan tó dáa, ìwọ tátọ̀ rẹ̀ ń sàn tí ò kí tó láti dọmọ, ìwọ ọkùnrin tára rẹ̀ ò le, ìwọ ọkùnrin ṣe ẹ̀kan dìde, ìwọ ọkùnrin tátàn rẹ̀ ò dúró déédéé, ìwọ ọkùnrin tó ń retí ọmọ, ìwọ ọkùnrin tó ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ṣègbéyàwó. ọgbọ́ capable herbal energy capsule ló nílò fún gbogbo àìṣedéédé ara rẹ̀ kó o lè jẹ́rìí sọmọ bíbí àti nǹkan tó dáa láti ṣe.